guitar and a lonesome tune. Stars will light the prairie moon. Feet are tired but the spirit's high. Whiskey roads, we drank the sky. Dusty dreams and open plains, aching hearts with no restraint. Finding hope in a sip so deep. On whiskey roads we sow and reap. Rustic barns and silent fields, broken dreams that time conceals. Yet we march on through the haze, in our hearts a fire blaze. Dusty dreams and open plains, aching hearts with no restraint. Finding hope in a sip so deep. On whiskey roads we sow and reap. Ruddy boots and miles to go, every shadow tells us so. Through the pain and through cruising down the back roads, nothing but dust and dirt. Got my boots on, feeling country like a real cowboy expert. But there's a twist to this tale, something ain't right. My daughter's got a secret weapon, she's a flatulence dynamite. She's a crop dusting queen, making everyone gasping. No one's got the clue, they all be huffing and puffing. She's got that twangy rap mixing country and trap. Gotta hold my breath cause she's dropping gas clouds like a champ. She won't stop flatulating, no matter how much we try. She's got that knack, the queen of the fly. It's gross and disgusting, yeah, it's quite a mess, but you can't deny she's got a talent for creating gas distress. We stole a few glances as the stars came out bright. Just two small town lovers lost in the night. Oh, those golden moments under the sky so wide, dancing in the moonlight with you by my side. Every memory lingers like the scent of sweet pine. In a world full of chaos, you'll always be mine. Sneak off to the fields where the wildflowers grow, spinning round and round, letting the good times flow. Your laughter like music, so pure and so free. In that sweet southern summer, it was just you and me. Oh, those golden moments under the sky so wide, dancing in the moonlight with you by my side. Every memory lingers like the scent of sweet pine. In a world full of chaos,